in Tampa. Oh, what's up? We just came back from having mukbang, guys, and I'm not gonna like it. Showing you our city of Tampa. So I don't think I vlogged this area. And this is the famous Tampa all the way in. And there is a Spanish they call Ybor City, which is consists with a lot of Hispanic people. So if I said Hispanic people, we're talking about Mexican, Puerto Rican, Dominican Republic, Cuban, Spanish, Brazilian, all of that. Anyone that speaks Spanish in different countries. So, and the other, where's my finger? My finger right there. The other to the left is what called MacDill Air Force Base. So we are heading back to Clearwater Beach. Going home. Actually, no, I found something on Facebook Marketplace. It's a resin set of plastic chair that I'm going to pick up really cheap, 15 bucks for both. Because if you buy them here like brand new, they're like $16 a piece. So, and this one is in great shape, it's in great condition. Tampa, Florida. Pag sinasabi nilang Tampa, Tampa is in the central side of Florida, in the middle. Okay, in the middle of Jacksonville, in the middle of Miami. We are in the middle. So, like I said before, nung sinasabi ko noon, Tampa is Tampa, Clearwater Beach, Clearwater is Clearwater. Magkaiba pong city niyan. Pero, kasi ang Tampa, sikat na sikat sila dito sa tinatawag nilang pirate buccaneers, pirate. Eh parang ang ugali din nila dito, parang mga pirata. So lahat gusto nila ako. Parang bang China na pinagduldulan nila sarili nila doon malapit sa Pilipinas, sa West Philippine Sea. Sa kanila daw, kahit na hindi sa kanila, pero inaako nila. Ganon din ang Tampa, kahit hindi nila pag-aari ang Clearwater, pinagmayari din nila, ginawa nilang Tampa Bay Area, Bay Area, kasi wala nga naman silang beach. Ang meron lang sa kanila dito, malaking city. Maganda din ang Tampa, guys, no? Maganda talaga ang Tampa. Tingnan mo ang linis ng aming highway, oh. Yan, nakamakita ang mga basura. Walang alikabok, no? Malinis at malalawak, taga malalapan yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In 1 mile,
lane.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit
Ayan, nakita mo,
39,
Tampa
State
International
Route 60
Airport,
west to
yan,
State
oh.
Route
And then
589
Clearwater.
north, Veterans Expressway toward Tampa International, Clearwater.
Malaki, maganda talaga ang Tampa, as in maganda. No, maganda dito sa area namin. Para makita nyo naman ang place kung ano ba talaga ang Tampa. Next time punta tayo sa City of Tampa para makita nyo talaga yung pinapakita ko sa inyo. Malaki talagang very widespread ang Tampa. Sinubukan lang namin mukbang doon sa lugar na yun. Kailangan din minsan lumabas ka sa city namin para
Exit right to
iba
exit
naman ang
39, State Route 60 west to State Route 589
May iba naman ang
north,
atmosphere.
Veterans Expressway toward Tampa International, Clearwater.
Ito papunta sa airport. Ayan na yung plane, oh, lumipad. Ito na magsa-sunset na. Sunset.
In a quarter of a mile, use the left 3 lanes to continue on State Route 589 North, Veterans Expressway, Independence Parkway.
Ayan, dito
Continue
dyan.
on State Route 589
Yan,
North,
papuntang airport
Veterans
yan.
Expressway,
Dito
Independence
sa mas
Parkway.
kabila, papunta sa akin.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Ang ingay naman itong Waze. You know.
In 3/4 of a mile, take exit 28, State Route
Ayan na,
60
papunta na
west
yun sa
toward
airport. Dito
Clearwater.
papunta sa amin.
Stay to the left.
Ginamit ko lang yung Waze kasi pupunta kami sa ibang address. Napipick upin namin yung racing chairs. Dalawa lang naman yun. Pero sayang din, kuripot naman kasi ako. Ayaw ko. Pag nakakita ko ng mura, nabibilin ko na maganda pa ang kalidad, maganda ang quality. Yan, bibilin ko yan. Mura to eh. $15 sa dalawa. Kaysa magbayad ka ng 43 bucks. Na 43. 34.
In 1,000 feet, use the
Ay,
left 2 lanes to
You're
exit
too
left.
noisy.
Exit left to exit 28, State Route 60 west toward Clearwater. Continue straight for 11 minutes to County Road 611 north, McMullen.
Yan. Ito na yung bay ng Tampa area. Yan, maraming mga bridges. Yung mga bridges na yan ay galing Tampa papunta ng Clearwater. Wala pong ibang daan dito kundi mga bridges sa mga causeway. Ito causeway ito, Campbell Causeway. Yan. Napalibutan na po tayo ng tubig. Tubig sa kaliwa, tubig sa kapila. Ayan o. Yung mga mayayaman yung bahay dyan sa tabi ng bay. Ito yung Emerson at Aqua at Holiday Inn Express. Ito naman, Season. Itong building na to, hindi yan. Second building po, yun yung dati kong corporate office. Dating Washington Mutual Bank na minanage ko. At dyan ang headquarter office ko dati. Maganda dito, marami kami mga pine trees. Ayan, ito na yung building na mahaba. Ayan, yan. Diyan ako sa 5th floor. Rocky Point Center. Yan po. Diyan ako. Yan yung office ko sa 5th floor po. Yung headquarters ko dati, Washington Mutual Bank. Bilang area president, no, ng bangko. Hindi po Bank of America, ha. Yan po yung dati kong office dyan. Pinakita ko noon kung nasaan yung dati kong office sa Bank of America sa downtown naman ng Clearwater. Sunset, ang ganda ng sunset guys, oh. Yan. Ang ganda ng sunset, ano. Ito na yung maliit na beach ng Tampa. Yan, ito sa kabila. Yan yung maliit nilang beach. Pero mga tao, ay mga to, mga local yan dito. Pero yung talagang gusto ng malawak na beach doon sa beach ko ay ko na lang kasi nagbabayad ako ng taxi sa beach namin. Ganda ng view, oh. Nakakapanatag ng lupa, no? Look at that. Tingin ka dito, tubig.
So special though at sunset.
It's beautiful. It's not you always see it. What's beautiful though, what's the beauty about the sunset? It is calming. And people would look like, calmness. No, calmness. It's pretty. Yan yung sunset. Maganda palalo pag nasa beach ka, nakikita mo yung sunset na yan. It's so pretty. Ang lawak ng tubig dito, oh. Walang alon. Huh? Mas kabila, wala ding alon. Look at it. Maliwalas yung pakiramdam mo pag dito ka nagda-drive, yung you don't take your, I mean you just take your time. Every time that I drop off my husband to the airport and then I go back home like this, I just take my time.
So everybody drives so fast to get to where they're at.
They do. Those people are driving so fast because they want to get to the beach. I myself, I just take my time because I'm just going home. I'm not going to the beach. Because the beach is not by our house. So, they do. And they get mad why I'm not in a hurry. They keep beeping like, Hong Kong. You know, like, good outside. I'm taking my time. Yan, oh, dito, look at it. Ang daming mga tao sa kabila.
Just out here hanging out.
They're just enjoying the calmness of the water. Hang out, playing music, barbecuing. Dito ang dock area ng jet ski. Yan sila nag-jet ski. Yan, may pulis pa, oh. Yan. Pag dito ako nagdadrive, kalmado talaga ako, utak ko, pakiramdam ko. Very calm. Wait, I'm not hearing anymore. Waze is not talking. I guess we're going to Macmullen booth.
The sunsets and like
Look at the sunset. Yeah. Beautiful. Ganda ng sunset. Nasa kanan ko na yung sunset. Hindi na makikita ng mangrove. Dito na lang tayo. malawak talaga dito, malawak.
Montana.
They're from Montana. Kita mo yung kotse na yan, taga-ipang ano yan, planeta. Maraming ano. Halos 90% makikita mo dito ay mga tourist. Hindi taga dito, taga-ipang state.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Imagine Montana, ang layo-layo na Montana, up north. Montana is next to Minnesota. North of Minnesota, I'm not mistaken. Or west, I believe. Did you went to Montana?
South Dakota.
How was it, South Dakota? Where there was the... No, you went to the big president, The Rock.
Yeah, that's in South Dakota.
Okay. South Dakota pala yung mga mukha ng mga presidente na ginawa sa bato.
Rushmore.
Yeah. You know that in the back of that there is a big room in Mount Rushmore. I saw that. They put that on a documentary that they had a secret room in there in the back.
Sure, they have something.
I think they make it as a utility room. $20 minutes guys doon galing sa kinainan namin, yung shabu-shabu dito sa Clearwater. Ito na kami sa Clearwater. Then you made a right on Front 8th Road to McMullen. 11 minutes to get there. It's 5 miles.
In half a mile, turn right to County Road
Welcome
611
to
North
Clearwater.
McMullen Booth
Ayun.
Road.
Ito, ibang bridge din yan. Galing sa St. Petersburg to Clearwater. Ang dami nga mga bridges dito, papunta dito sa amin. Kaya nagbabottleneck ang traffic dito. Pag nagsugat ba ang tawag doon? Sugat. Hindi sugat tawag dito. Nagsugat mas Bisaya. Yung when they all came together in one place from different bridges, then it become a bottleneck in this area, this whole area, because of this bridge right there. And they all go through their bumper to bumper because one is coming from here, one is coming from the left, one is coming from the right.
Turn right
Everyone
to
wants
County
to go
Road
to
611
the
North
beach.
McMullen Booth Road.
Tanggal yung pilik mata ko. Buti na natapos. Buti natapos ko yung yung live ko kanina. Kasi after ng live ko, natanggal na yung pilik
In
mata
a quarter
ko.
of a mile, turn left on Drew Street.
Oh, they live by Drew, by our house. We live off Drew. Here's my church, guys. I was going to come to church today, but unfortunately, I wake up at 3:30 because my beautiful
Turn left on Drew
husband
Street.
was snoring all night. Why? He was so overworked with his other car. He has another car, and I guess something wrong with the steering wheel that it wouldn't turn. So he was forced to pull over on the side and walk back to the house, like about 2-3 blocks away. And that was like yesterday. And I was wondering why he came back early. I thought he wasn't going to work. He was on the way to work, but he had a breakdown on his car. So he went back again and worked on the car until like in the afternoon, like under the heat of the sun. And he was all under the sun yesterday. And the sun wasn't really gone. Yan. Look at my church, like Calvary Church. Napakalaki po niyan. I was gonna take my husband there today, but, well. So, during the night, he was snoring. He was so tired. And I was like, pushing him, make him turn on the right side. No, he was as dead as whatever you call it. He was dead. He was tired. He was snoring. So I got ticked off. You know, I was sick. So I just slammed the door, went out, and I went to my other room.
In 1.2 miles.
Ang laki ng
Turn
simbahan
right on
namin.
Frontage Road.
That's a huge church of MC.
It's a Christian school too.
Yeah, because it has they have school. Ito pa ito Baker. Ito guys, yung mga para sa mga nurses na pumupunta dito galing Pilipinas. Dito sila tinitrain. Baker yan. Baker. Dito yan. Headquarters to na Baker. You know. Baker. Dito yung mga tinitrain na mga bagong nurses na dumarating galing sa Pilipinas. At dito nagtitraining sila. Kumukuha sila ng state license exam. Going to frontage again on here is 19.
I think they got there.
That's probably an accident. Yeah, there's a car that is bumping each other. Is there?
I don't see anything.
Oh, it's probably late info. Yan, medyo madilim na, no? Na-addict talaga ako, guys. Na-addict ako sa marketplace sa Facebook. Alam nyo, nag-post ako na maraming live tilapia dyan, no? Muntik na akong ma-strike ng marketplace. Oh, yeah, they said, I'm in danger of losing my marketplace benefits.
Turn right on Frontage Road.
Because I posted the live tilapia for sale. Sabi ko, mag-post na ako dito. Kala ko pwede. Hindi ko naman alam na bawal pala yun for consumer regulations. Hindi ko alam. Yeah. Sabi hindi nila pinlabless dahil ulitin ko pa daw. Iba-block nila ako. Ay, litche. Sabi ko, wag na. Kaya nag-post na lang ako sa Filipino Tampa Bay Group. Buti pa doon, walang restriction. Tingnan mo, lawak ko, di ba? Hindi kagaya sa atin na bumper to bumper.
Then stay to the left.
Lawak ng lanes. Malinis pati.
Exit right to State Route 590, Northeast Coachman Road. Then stay
Ingay
to the
naman yung
left,
ways.
Northeast Coachman Road.
What's this green thing? Oh, it's the lake. Yeah. Yan, punta lang tayo doon sa kukunin ko lang yung racing chair. See? I got burned when we went to the beach. I'm peeling. Northeast
Turn left on Northeast Coachman Road.
Coachman. They are near Walmart. Under the bridge. Lawak na under the bridge namin yung yan ang Super Walmart yan, oh. Yan ang Super Walmart. Dito ako nagpupunta.
In half a mile, turn right on Old Coachman Road. Approaching a railroad crossing.
We're going to the railroad area. Jeez. Ito mga apartment dito. It's by the light. The railroad. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi mga bahay-bahay dito, mga apartment.
In
Ito
1,000
nalalapad,
feet,
oh.
turn right.
Daming room. Malalaki yung yard. Hindi ba kagaya sa atin ang sisikip? Dito, mga bahay dito talagang malalaki ang mga yard. Likuran, harapan. Kala mo mga mayayaman kami, hindi naman. Ito lang talaga ang regulation dito sa amin dito na malalaki ang lupa. Pag bumili ka ng bahay, hindi kagaya sa atin. Pag bumili ka, 150 square feet, square meter, 200 square meter, napakalaki na yan para sa atin. Pero dito po, halos kalahating hektarya po ang ang lapad ng lugar sa bahay mo at mga yan,
Turn left on South Lagoon Circle.
Dito pag may bahay ka, malalaki talaga ang mo, lupa mo, harapan, likuran, giliran, malalaki talaga. Hindi yung gigipitin ka sa lugar ni kagaya sa atin pagipitan. Uy, naku, madilim na. Yan. Sige, dito na tayo. Nasaan ba yung bahay na to? Malapit na tayo. Pakita ko lang, ha? Yan.
Turn left. Then turn left on South Lagoon Circle.
Ito, lapad ng mga harapan namin dito. Tingnan mo. Yan ang lalapad, di ba? Okay. We're going to that right here. Where is it?
Turn left on South Lagoon Circle. Then turn right on West Lagoon Circle.
Turn right. West
Turn
Lagoon.
right on West Lagoon Circle.
Isn't this the one where we bought the grill? Sa 1764, 1720. Towards the end. $1744 should be on the left side.
You've arrived at your destination.
Oh, ito. This one.
Oh, this one.
This is 1760. 1764 so with the side. Right there. Dito na, oh. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ang lalawak ng kanila mga ito na yung bahay, guys. Oh, cute na bahay. Yeah, open the back. Ito, 1764. Ayan, guys. Oh, ang cute ng bahay ng ito yung upuan. Bibilhin natin. Oh, sige, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Ayan, bye-bye.